Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, which name is Analytics Pro. Here under this playlist, we are going to cover SQL concepts from scratch. In the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about indexing and types of indexing. There we have explained clustered and non-clustered index. And now in today's tutorial guys, we will talk about one more type of indexing, which is unique and non-unique. So let's start our tutorial guys with introduction. And now let's understand the definition of unique index. A unique index ensures that no two rows in a table have the same values in the indexed column. So basically guys, there should not be a duplicate value in the column. And the next point says, whenever you create a unique constraint, just like on a column guys, so SQL Server automatically creates a unique index behind the scenes to enforce it. You can also manually create a unique index without defining a constraint. And now let's move toward SSMS screen to understand unique index. So here we guys have entered in SQL Server Management Studio. So guys, here I am going to create employees table where I have not taken any constraint like primary key or unique constraint. So now let me select this query and hit execute. And now guys, let me open this table with select command. Select start from our table name is employees. And now let me select this query and hit execute. So see guys, we have created employees table here. And now guys, let's go here under this organization database. And here under this organization database guys, we have the table name is employees. And under employees table guys, we can see the folder of indexes. So let me click this folder here. So here we guys can see there is no indexing is created because we have not used any primary key constraint or unique constraint. But if you use any primary key constraint guys, so you have already seen clustered index already created by default. So this topic guys we have already covered in the previous videos. And now guys let's create some unique cluster indexing here. So we have to follow the same query. So you need to start with create command and simply write unique clustered index and simply write the indexing name whatever you want to apply it here. So my index name would be let's say CLST underscore. So I want to apply on this employee ID. So let me take EMP underscore ID. So this is my unique cluster indexing name. And now I'll simply write on keyword guys. And under on keyword guys, I need to write the table name which is employees. And simply start my bracket here. And I will take the column name where I want to apply this indexing. I want to apply this unique indexing on this employee ID column. So I'll simply take employee ID. And now I want to sort this as per, let's say, descending order and bracket close. And now let me select this query and hit execute. So see guys, command completed successfully. And now let me refresh this database here and simply go to the organization database, click on the table folder and simply open this employee table guys and select this folder name as indexes. So let me click here under this folder. So see guys, here we have created one unique cluster index which name is CLST underscore employee underscore ID. And if you do right click on this indexing guys and go to the properties, so here you guys can see the checkbox in the front of unique. So that means you can't enter any duplicate value because you have created unique index. And now let me cancel it. And now let me try to copy this first row. So let me simply press Ctrl C and let me paste it here with Ctrl V. So let me try to insert this query here. So let me select this query and hit execute. So see guys, it clearly says you cannot insert duplicate row in object in the DBO employee with unique index. So this is the purpose guys of unique clustered index. You can't enter any duplicate value just like a unique constraint or you can say primary key constraint. And now let's understand about non-unique clustered index. So guys, let me copy this query and now let me paste it here. And now let me simply change the query from here. So I'll simply remove this unique keyword. And before this clustered guys, I'll simply write non. So I want to create non-cluster indexing here. And let me also rename my indexing name. Let's say non-clustered employee ID. This is my non-unique cluster indexing name. And now I want to apply on the same employee ID column. So that's why I have taken employee ID here under these brackets. And this is my table name. And now let me select this query and hit execute. So see guys, command completed successfully. And now let me minimize it and refresh this employees table. Let me open this guys, and if I click here under this indexes folder guys, so I can see non-unique clustered index. And now guys, if I try to execute this query, so again it will throw us an error because we have not deleted this clustered index. So firstly let me delete this clustered index. So let me do right click and delete this unique clustered index. And now let me refresh it. And now guys, if I try to execute same entry over here, so see guys, one row is affected. And now let me open this table with select star from table name. So here we can see the duplicate entry. So that is the purpose of non-unique clustered index. And now let's talk about the definition of non-unique non-clustered index. So let me go here under this PPT. So here we have the non-clustered index definition. It allows duplicate value in the indexed column. Most indexes you can create for performance reason or non-unique unless you specifically require uniqueness. It is mainly used to speed up searches, filtering and sorting, but it does not enforce any constraint on the data. So if you guys want to see at what column we are applied this indexing, so you can use the same stored procedure, which is sp underscore help index, and simply write the table name. And now let me select this query and hit execute. So it clearly says non-clustered index applied on this employee ID column. So with this tutorial guys, we are done with indexing concept. And in the next tutorial guys, we will talk about another concept of SQL. So for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And those who are new to this channel, kindly hit the like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And those who wants to learn Power BI or SQL from scratch, so you guys can follow this free YouTube channel, which name is Analytics Pro. And if you scroll it down guys, so here you guys can see we have a full course Power BI playlist where I have explained each and every concept about Power BI in detail. And if you click here on this playlist button guys, so you guys will get to see multiple playlists are here. This is the Power BI full course playlist and these are the advanced concepts of Power BI where you guys can take the knowledge of advanced concepts of Power BI. And we have this Power BI with SQL playlist where you guys can learn all the concepts of SQL from scratch. So you guys can start your SQL journey with this free YouTube channel. And along with that guys, we have this visualization playlist and we have this DAX expression playlist where we have covered most of the DAX functions from scratch which are majorly used in your projects. And here under this playlist, I am also trying to cover all the differences of DAX functions which is majorly asked in an interviews. And very soon guys, I will add some more playlists so that you guys can take better understanding of the analytical skills. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I'm keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone. But those who are looking only live sessions, so we guys also conduct live training and sessions where we prepare candidates from scratch till intermediate level with some scenarios, real-time projects, assignments, notes and so on. And we also provide placement assistance with the help of WhatsApp group where you will get to see some HR emails, contact number and so on. And you guys can also follow us on Insta as well as Facebook. So all the links I will share under the description box. You guys can follow us there. So for free learners guys, you guys can follow this Analytics Pro, and for the live training and sessions, you guys can connect me any of the platform. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.